Rohde Schwarz, Mini Mic, Fast Facts.
Hey, I'm Benoit Derat, Senior Director of Engineering at Rohde Schwarz, Munich, and I'm really glad to show you today this station. This is our ZNB 43 that is now equipped with our so-called SCPI recorder. The idea is really to make your life easy when you have VNAs integrated in your test flow and you would not like to reprogram, or you would like to have an easy integration of our VNA into your program. We can actually create SCPI commands based on your manual manipulations and then take these and generate eventually a Python code out of that. I'm showing you an example. So here it's taking a measurement, and then I would start the SCPI recorder just here. Okay, that was my last manipulation. I remove it. Now I can say start recording. Do you want to start from preset and perform a device preset now? Say no. I just want to change, for example, the start frequency. Recording, it's good. Start frequency, 2 gigahertz. And here you have the SCPI command displayed. And you can continue like this, turn the knobs and everything, and it gets all in the recording here, and you can extract this as a program and then bring this into your test automation tools. As easy as that, effortless automation with the ZNB 43 or all our ZNBs.